to my channel. It's KNOTLESS here, and I'm back with another video. So I know this background is a bit different. You guys have never seen this background before, but because I'm going to be doing a hairstyling video, that means I have to change my background. I have to stand. So yeah, so I'm going to be showing you guys how to style knotless braids without using pins, headbands, any other extension except maybe a scarf, because the scarf is here. Well, I'm just going to show you how to style your knotless braid, especially when you're in a hurry and you don't have access to all those rubber bands and pins, with just using your hair. So in case you're interested, or if you're actually interested in knowing how I'm going to do that, make sure to watch this video from the beginning and to the end. And also like this video if you found it really helpful. Feel free to comment in the comment section below which style you're going to rock. Let me know. And also do not forget to subscribe to my channel. All right, now let's get into the video. So guys, I'm not going to do a voiceover for the tutorials because the video is quite explanatory, so you can easily learn it on your own just by watching this video. But yeah, I just came here to remind you to don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like my video, and I'll see you at the end of the video. come to the end of this video. I hope you found this video quite helpful because I enjoyed filming this video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share my video, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That's all for this video, you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.